My job over the last couple weeks was to learn how to use Adobe Premiere. And basically, for my project to work with Premiere, I made a music video with some green screen work. I wanted to learn how to work with green screen and just how to get better shots in film. In week one, I was more learning how to just use Premiere and how its settings can work really well and making your video and film look better, and then learning how to work with green screen, which it's really cool what you can do with that. And I will be explaining how to work with green screen work. Basically, um, I was just wanting to make something that could resemble a certain feeling, and I did that through a music video. I learned how to, in part of my video, how to use green screen work through some certain videos, and that's where I also got my green screen work. I didn't make it myself. So once that you have opened Premiere, you're gonna want to basically have your video that you want on the bottom under video 1. That's your main video that you want playing through most video more than likely. And on video 2, which is right above video 1, you're going to place your green screen work. That's where you're going to want the effect. As you can see, I have a little effect here from a YouTube video. And basically, you're going to click on that. You're going to go up into this corner. You're going to click Video Effects. And under Video Effects, you can see something called Keying. Keying is what we're doing here. You're going to click Keying, and you're going to go to Ultra Key. You're going to add Ultra Key, and it'll pop up in your effect controls. If you haven't clicked on it already, you need to be under Effects and Effect Controls. When you're under Effect Controls, you're going to click on here and your key color, which is going to be that. Okay, now that I figured this out finally, you're basically wanting to go to your key color, and you're going to change that to whatever color your green screen, of course. You're going to click this little pen right here, and then you're just going to do one little tap, and the green is gone. Of course, when you put a video in, you're going to need to crop it so you can get that black out. But you're going to then click here, and you're going to want to fit it in the frame. So you're going to click set the frame size, and it'll set it to a bigger size. And once you click play, your effect is there. I'm sorry that it's so glitchy, just not coming out right. You can also crop that out, and then there's that big splash. That is all within the green screen that we just did, and keying is a very amazing tool. Basically, that's what I did for my music video. I made it in Adobe, put it together in here, and did my green screen work. Green screen work can be very helpful, and it can add a certain feeling to your video or a certain transition. It's really helpful and super easy. Keying is an amazing thing. That's basically what I did for my music video. Again, green screen work is easy and it's not difficult, so that was basically how you do it. Basically, that's how you do green screen work. Not much to do there. It's super easy, and thank you for watching.